Don't do this when installing FitGirl games, guys. Follow the install method I do. Before opening the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Just watch this video first to download the game correctly and avoid setup errors. And then go to search menu and type Windows Security and click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings and turn off the real-time protection. Select yes and just minimize this page. Double click on the setup folder. Double click on the setup and select yes. Select the language and select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music and make sure nothing is running in the background. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box, guys. And then select next option and select next. Select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select next. And then select install option. And after the game installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before and then scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select the add and exclusion and select folder and navigate to the game folder, guys. I saved in C drive games. Here is the game folder. Select it. Select folder option. And now the game has been added to this list, as you can see. Go back and turn on the real-time protection. After turning on, just to minimize this page and uncheck this option, guys. Open the site and redirect to the site and select finish option. So you can see all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX. And as you can see, the game launched without having any problem. We'll start the game. And now you will never face a game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.